low with gusts between 45 and 50 miles per hour. A few higher gusts are possible in isolated areas. Impacts: high-profile vehicles will encounter strong crosswinds. Scattered tree and power line damage is possible. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of 30 miles per hour or gusts over 45 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Hazardous weather. Highest winds will be late this afternoon into early this evening. Winds may gust over 55 miles per hour. Frequent gusts to between 40 and 50 miles per hour should be expected. Winds will diminish during the late evening hours. Impacts: widespread power outages are possible. Some tree limbs and branches will break and fall to the ground, possibly causing some damage. Loose objects will be blown around. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Weather preparedness information is available online at http://go.usa.gov/50G. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WXK-81 listening area, a wind advisory is in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties. In Michigan, Livingston and Shiawassee. A wind advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties. In Michigan, Branch and Hillsdale. A wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties. In Michigan, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Ingham, and Jackson.
Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-81, transmitting on the frequency of 162.40 MHz. The current time is 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This is the Area Weather Outlook, issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan.